Hey everyone, today we will create a Google Sheet based solution to collect data for a wedding program and to properly plan our resources for wedding ceremony. So this is our client requirement, and we will create a Google Sheet solution in which we will use a Google form to collect data and a Google Sheet to store all the responses, and then we will analyze and plan our resources accordingly. So this will be our heading and this will be our form element. In the form element we will need date of arrival, date of departure, room type, flight needed, name attending, email, additional information. So now we have 7 field of requirement that we need to put in our Google Sheet and Google form. So first of all we will create a Google Sheet. You can go to the Google Sheet from the Google search, and then when you create a new Google Sheet here. Okay, so in this sheet let's open. Okay, so tools and create a new form. So this will be our database for all the responses. So we will go to the create a new form. Okay, so you will get this type of interface, and now we will copy the heading from this. Okay, so this will be our heading, and a form description you can give any form description like subheading for this, but in our requirement we have no description, so we will leave it as it is. And then the form element we need in the form are below. So the date of arrival, first one is date of arrival. So it is not a question, it is the drop down. So sorry, it is the date. So we will select data type for this element date, and we will put the question date of arrival, and it is compulsory, so we will enable it, mandatory. We will add another and we will click the date. So this one is also the date type element, and we will enable it. Then we need a drop down. So this one is room type drop down, and we will put all these elements. So add here drop down, and we will copy these option and paste it. So we have all the required options from which the user can select the required option. Okay, so this is also required, and question, for the question we will put that what type of room you will need. So this you can also add additional information. Okay, so this one is completed. Now we will do little bit settings. So in setting, manage response collected, we will collect email, responder input. Okay, copy of their response, yes, always sent, allow response editing, no, limit one response, we will. Okay, then we will publish it. When we click on this, it will automatically create the required sheet in our here. So you can see form responses, you can see all the fields created. Now we do not need this one. Okay, so we will go to this and create a link. This one is a tricky part because on invitation card we cannot send this a huge link, so we will shorten URL, but this one is also looking bad, so we will copy this link, go use bit.ly, and we will put the required this one. We will log in with Google. Okay, so we will put this one, create a link. Okay, and here this one, and title is this one, and custom URL will be also without spaces. Okay, generate QR code, and we will create our link. Okay, now we have exact link, this one. So you will send this one, it is very user friendly, bit.ly and Paradise Promise 2027, and this you can print this QR code on invitation card, so they will easily scan and get this link. Okay, and this link will open this one. So now if we open that bit.ly, it will automatically open the required form. So now Excel gmail.com. Okay, so here 8 August date of arrival, both are the same date. For example, room type, you can select all the from one of these, garden view, room, flight needed, yes, name attending, ABC, XYZ, email, already answer, this is the secondary email. Okay, additional information, ABC, and here we have a link. So once I submit the form, and then we can check the response come here. Okay, so this is how it will work. Once you get all the responses, then you can plan the wedding program or utilize resources accordingly. Okay, thank you.